Today we talk about how can you show past experience on your LinkedIn Learning app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, just go down, clicking on my library down, my learning down here. So then you come to this list, then you click here on your name. When you click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. Then you go above this sign, click on it here. So then come to this list, and all you have to do, you just go down here. Then all you have to do now, just click on account settings. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Just waiting to open video. So when it's going to open video, you click here on visibility here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on edit your public profile. Then come to this list here. You just go down and you come here to past experience. Just clicking this sign, the like you see this color show for us. That's my past experience show for us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.